our new Mr. Tumble whistling kettle, which has loads of different colours on it. Light blue, dark green, red, purple, like an orangey colour, and it's all white around it. It's Haus Roland. It's a German company design, and it has really lovely, it has a really big handle on it. It's going to be heavy, and it's really hot because it's being whistled. Wow, it's really heavy. It's really heavy. I'm not sure if you can see it, that it's got a steel pan at the bottom. Steel pan at the bottom. And it is really, the colour's going up like mental already, because it gets warm. That's how you know that it's going old. It's a couple of hours old, but it is in good quality. It's very good quality. Would recommend in the future people buy it, because it's got a red top on the lid, and it's see-through. It's very silvery, like silvery colour. It's got red in the front, and it's got like a silver, and you can open it with using this. Yeah, you can open it, and all the water comes, and as you can see, all the steam comes out. Steam. It's very steamy. Very steamy. If you like it, it's a Haus Roland German design whistling kettle, and it makes you remind you of Mr. Tumble, and you can even call it the Mr. Tumble kettle if you want. Hope you like this review of the Haus Roland German design whistling kettle, and hopefully you can find the joy of using it if you buy one, because this is the front, this is the side left, this is the one side, this is the back, and now I'll show you the other side, and that's the other side. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, support, subscribe, and I will have more videos in the future. Goodbye.